Unlock the full potential of your Nikon Z30 by elevating your viewing experience with an external monitor, transforming your videography workflow. First, let's talk connections. Your Nikon Z30 features a MicroHDMI output. You will need a MicroHDMI to full-size HDMI cable. Carefully insert the smaller MicroHDMI end into the port on the side of your Z30. Ensure it's a snug fit. Then, connect the full-size HDMI end to the HDMI input on your chosen external monitor. Make sure both your camera and monitor are powered on. Your monitor might initially show no signal. That's normal. We need to tell the Z30 to send its signal out. On your Nikon Z30, press the playback button, then access the setup menu. Look for the HDMI option. Within the HDMI settings, you'll find options like output terminal. Select this. Here, you'll want to choose HDMI and monitor. This crucial step ensures your camera's feed is sent to the external display. Instantly, you'll see your Z30's live view appear on the larger screen. This is a game changer for framing and critical focus. Now, let's optimize for accuracy on your Z30. In the playback menu, find monitor output. Here you can configure valuable assists. Enable zebra stripes to visualize overexposed areas and peaking to highlight in focus subjects. These overlays are vital for nailing exposure and sharp focus, especially in challenging lighting. With zebra stripes, you can precisely control your exposure, preventing blown-out highlights. Peaking guides you to achieving razor-sharp focus, ensuring your subjects pop. For the best experience, consider how you'll mount your external monitor. Many monitors have tripod mount points, where you can use specialized cage accessories for a more integrated setup. By leveraging an external monitor with your Nikon Z30, you gain a bigger, clearer window into your footage, leading to more precise focus and exposure, and ultimately, more professional videos.